Then what is a relation? Relation is nothing but a table. In relational algebra or in database management system, which is RDBMS, relational database management system, the relation simply means a table which are organized in the form of rows and column. These are rows, this is a row, and this is a column. Rows and column. So in database, relation are equivalent to tables only. So we speak about table, we are speaking about relations only. For example, this is a relation or a table called student. This student table or a relation has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 attributes or 5 properties or 5 columns. Admission number, name, class, section, average. This table or a relation has how many tuples? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tuples. 6 tuples means 6 records. And you see, Anu is studying in class in 12th. He or she is in section A. He or she has average of 85, and his admission number is 101. So this is a tuple which is a related data. One tuple is one record. One column is specifying a property, means name. All these will be names only. All these will be class only.